Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a fresh look at the latest progress at Spotify Camp Nou. It's been a busy week across every corner of the stadium. From the goal areas to the lateral stand, from the parking zones to the interior tunnel. Each section is moving at its own pace, and there's a lot to unpack. And hey, if you've been watching these updates regularly but still haven't subscribed, now's the perfect moment. Join the channel so you never miss a single step of this massive rebuild. All right, let's get started and dive in. Work at the north goal is moving steadily. Beams and supports around the elevator cores are being installed, and the upper levels are gradually taking shape. Each new piece helps visualize the final layout, while workers ensure everything is aligned correctly before the next stage. You can already start to see the structure of the goal area coming together. Even on slower days, the progress is clear and gives a real sense of how massive this section will be once completed. On the lateral side near the parking exit, workers are preparing the ramp and surface for the next treatment layer. A small boundary wall is also being built, helping define the area. Progress is steady, with careful alignment to connect the stadium properly to the underground parking. Even though the work is methodical and not fast-paced, every step is bringing this section closer to its final form. You can already see how the area is shaping up and taking a more organized look. Moving further along the lateral stand, the metal frames for the ceramic slats keep expanding. Some areas already have anchors installed, and workers are tightening the bolts and checking alignment. More slats of different colors are stacked nearby, ready for installation. Trucks continue delivering prefabricated elements, including stair sets and stand pieces, which shows that this section is preparing for a big push soon. The drainage pipe stands out due to its height and clean 90-degree connection to the main drain. It's unclear if this is the final position or just temporary, but as the surrounding floor takes shape, we'll see how it fits into the final design. At the south goal, the main focus remains on the structural cores. These cores will hold the elevators and mechanical systems, so they take time and precision. Teams are checking fittings, installing internal elements, and preparing the sections for later coverings. It's not visually dramatic work, but it's vital, and the progress is steady. Activity here continues throughout the day with no major pauses. Inside the stadium, the players' tunnel is changing fast. Workers are installing new vinyl flooring, and both sides of the tunnel are being shaped with fresh panels and finishing work. The mixed zone rooms connected to the tunnel also show progress, especially in the ceilings and wall structures. The layout is now fully defined and much more complete than before. The third tier on the lateral stand keeps growing fast. Workers are preparing the upper slabs, placing rebar, leveling surfaces, and aligning each section before the next concrete stage. Even though the pace isn't always explosive, the structure looks more complete each day. With every new piece installed, the final curve of the stand becomes easier to visualize. At the diamond section near the club store, the entire metal framework is in place. The next major step will be installing the glass panels. None have arrived yet, but once they do, this area will transform quickly. For now, everything looks ready and waiting for the glass installation phase. The stadium is steadily taking shape, with work moving forward across every corner. Structures are rising, floors and panels are being installed, and key areas are beginning to look closer to their final form. It's exciting to see how all these different elements are coming together step by step to transform Camp Nou. And that wraps up today's update from Camp Nou. As you've seen, the construction is moving along steadily, step by step, bringing the stadium closer to its final form. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.